Anya from Beeston Hub Club, and for my Joy Champion badge I've made this pop-up card to send to my grandma, and this is how you'd make it. So you will need a blank piece of card, some coloured card, a glue, a ruler, a pencil, some scissors, some coloured pencils or pens. So first you need to fold it over. And you need to get your ruler, and a ruler's width away from the edge. You need to draw a line about halfway up your piece of paper on either side. And then get your scissors and cut along both lines you have just drawn. Then you need to fold up the flap you have created. Flip it over and fold it on the other side. Now open up the first fold and push through the flap into the middle so that it makes a fold. Then you're going to get your ruler, and a ruler's width from on top you're going to draw a line shorter that just under halfway. Like so. And you're going to cut the top half of the flap you just did, as well as the top bit of card, making sure not to cut through the bottom half. You're now going to fold it upwards, put it back down, open up the card and push it through. Press that down, and there you have it. Now it's time to make the door. You're going to draw two lines of the size you want your door to be and join it up. You might want an adult for this. You're going to pierce a hole and cut the top and the bottom and one of the sides of your door, leaving one side attached. Now you're going to glue on a piece of coloured card to the back to cover up the hole. Fold it, and now it's time to decorate. You can decorate your house as you like. write your message. I used a pond to write mine in, but you can do it any way you like. And there you have it, your pop-up house card, ready to send to friends or family. I also tried some different designs like this castle or this cottage.